So hello fellow coin collectors, this is Glenn, and today we are going to have a look at the silver $10 coin. So the only set I actually have is the uncirculated set, and the first thing you'll notice is that they have a coin in sand at the beach, because if you think about this coin, it actually represents Queensland. What do you think about when you think about Queensland? Me? I think about beaches. Hot, nice, beautiful weather, lots of beaches where you can go for a swim, and then a crocodile comes and goes, or a shark comes and goes. Look, lunch is served. Yay. So anyway, we've got some gastropods. So gastropods are just snails, sea snails. Then we've got some bivalves, which are clams like oysters, mussels. These are probably pipeds. And there won't be any brachiopods. They're usually deep ocean. There's probably bryozoans, parts of coral, and a lot of other creatures that a lot of people don't actually know about. So this is the fourth coin in the State Series. So the State Series started in 1985. They didn't issue a coin in 1988. They issued a bicentenary coin, and it finished in 1993 with the ACT. So this is the 1989 Queensland version, and if we look on the reverse, you can see this is actually a bit hard to actually read. So it says the Royal Australian Mint is situated in Canberra, suburb of Deakin, opened in 1965. It is the first mint established by the Commonwealth of Australia. So the rest were actually established by the Royal Mint, so the UK government. Your set is made up of a coin which has not been in circulation, although what the hell is that? Although produced by normal production methods, it has been specially examined to ensure the surface defects are at an absolute minimum. So, just telling you about how they actually select the actual coin. And here's some more information. So here we have a scallop. So scallop, nice. I actually like that cover. So if we look inside, it has more variations of colour. So you've got a lot of sand. So if you want to know how fossils are made, when this cements and it's put under pressure, it turns into a rock. So a sedimentary rock full of silicon oxide. So if we have a look at the actual coin, it's 92.5% silver and 7.5% copper. It's 20 grams and 34 millimeters. So really, it's a crown size coin. And here we have the actual coin on the front. I actually quite like sand. Sand's very interesting. And there is also a proof set with the uncirculated set. There were 48,929, and the proof has 48,573. So it's the same number, and that's actually nearly half the number of the initial set. So the Victoria, 81,000 and 55,000, and by the end of it in 1993, the numbers had actually fallen to about a quarter of the first Victorian issue. If we look on the inside, it has some information about Queensland. So it's a sunshine state. Australia, Victoria is a garden state. New South Wales is the screwed state. So let's not worry about that. That was a joke. Sorry. From New South Wales, then no, I'm not really sorry. Okay, coats of arms. I've seen New South Wales roads. And here we have the actual coins. So if we zoom in, you can see it actually has a coat of arms of Queensland. So and this has been used in Queensland since 1893. And the part you see on the flag is actually this part up here, the blue cross with the Edwardian crown. Okay, so this is actually the Maltese cross, by the cross of St. Edward's, or the crown of St. Edward's, should I say, in the centre. And beside it is actually 2 sugar canes. So sugar cane is actually big in Queensland, where Australia actually gets most of its sugar from. And then we have wheat sheaves, gold rising from a pile of quartz. So got wheat sheaves, gold rising from a pile of quartz, head of a bull and ram, so agriculture. Now the gold rising from a pile of quartz, because in geology you have a crack in the ground they call a fault or a fracture, a fault line, and when a magma body or comes close to the surface, it actually interacts with any water that percolates into that crack, and the water actually heats up and absorbs any minerals that are actually around, and a lot of the time it can absorb silicon oxide, which is quartz, and along with that quartz is also gold as well. So when it comes up, it will solidify for then making a dike or a seal, depending on the circumstances, causing a quartz vein to actually form, and that can actually contain gold. So that's what it is. That's actually the explanation for that. And on this side we have a red deer, a baroga. So baroga's a native animal. Don't know why I have a red deer. They need to all be shot. So, and down below we have bold but faithful. Aux et fidelis. So I don't even know what that motto actually is supposed to mean. So this represents agriculture, these trees, and mining. So anyway, that's basically the actual coat of arms. And you can see it has some corrosion of the actual copper. I've never actually taken this actually out. It's actually pretty hard to take out. But if we look at the reverse, you can actually see it's more prominent. So the copper would probably oxidize a lot easier than the actual silver. And as you can see, this actually contains contamination. It's actually hard to actually take these coins out because you need to actually open it up here or open up on the sides. And I've not actually, there's no evidence of actual damage to the sides of the actual package. So this is actually caused over time some damage to the actual coin, which I'm not too sure if is actually common on other silver coins in these cases. Could also be the plastic that's doing the problem to the actual coin, or it could be the air that's actually in it as well. So these are not 100% sealed, they still have air inside. So because it's contained, you should actually slow it down. Although this is plastic, so it is also not unporous, so air can slowly actually get inside this casing and into the actual coin. So over a long period of time, it's going to tone anyway, so because of the copper content. So what would you be expecting to actually pay for one of these? So here I have some actual listings. So if we go up, the first coin we have sold for $20, and that's the actual set that I actually have. Then we have a proof one. That's a different proof. So proof one is here, also for $20. So basically you're paying $20 for these coins. $28 plus postage, and you have to remember is that these ones have postage added onto them. So it should cost you about $30 with postage, $20 without postage, roughly. It's another proof, $20, and this one has 5 of the coins for $100, so that's nearly $20 each. Proofs, another one for 24, no case. 33, so about $25. Not the Kookaburra. Queensland proof. Here we go. Here we go. Don't even know why it has Libyan coins. I put this under $10 coin. It's got Libyan 10 dinars. So it's not really that accurate in pinpointing. So another one for $20. Another set for $30. Oh, $30, yeah. So the values of these go up and down. If the silver price actually would go up, then these prices will probably increase along with the silver value. Look at this, $16, that would have been good buy. So yeah, roughly about $20 each actually. Then you got the outliers above and below that price. But I would say when these are actually sold, they probably would have been about $15 to $20 for these sets, and the proof ones I think were $40. So in the proof ones, you actually lost money. You lost about $20. And these ones, they probably stayed the same, and probably in the longer term, you'll probably lose money. So are these a good investment? No, they're not a good investment. Not if you actually purchased it in 1989. I actually wouldn't really buy any of these silver products now that are high minted. If I had a mintage of like 10,000 or 15,000, yeah, then that's a good one to actually get. Over the long term, they actually go up. Like the 2016 50-cent coin, you bought it for like $100. Now they're about $200-300. So basically, that would have been a good coin to buy, and I actually bought it and then sold it. So these ones, nah, you can buy them now if you actually like to actually get the set, but they're actually not a good investment even now because of the actual high mintages. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you very much for watching my video. If you like Australian $10 coins, leave a comment down below. Also give it a thumbs up, and I will seek out to actually do more videos on these series. Anyway, thank you very much, and also have an awesome coin and banknote collecting time. Thank you, and bye bye.